everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a knitting haul. I have some yarn here, and it is from Expression Fiber Arts. And I found this person, or this shop, on YouTube. I was searching for beginner knitting videos, and I found this woman named Shandy who is super sweet and super nice, and I learned that she owns this Expressions, I forget the name of it again, Expression Fiber Arts, and she makes her own yarn and everything, and it just looked amazing. So I thought that I should get some and give it a try. Oh my goodness. Ah. So I got, look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. So I got 3 different things. I got 2 skeins of this yarn, which is absolutely gorgeous. I got 1 skein of this, and then I also got some extras. I got some, oh no, okay, this is what it was. This was a skein I got, and then I got this skein with this, and it looks like these extra goodies. This is the December 2017 Insiders Yarn Club, and it was candy themed. Let's celebrate the holidays by holding dreams of sweets and beautiful candy inspired colorways. Knitting pattern suggestion, Cloudy with a Chance of Rain by Sylvia Heck. And then there's a crochet pattern suggestion, yarn base, drapery and puddly soft, cash silk sock yarn. Opt for shawls, scarves, sweaters, and other accessories that you want to drape and flow. And then she gave a coupon code that expires in January, and yeah, so this is pretty cool. I like this. And so it came with this yarn, which is really pretty, and I love how it's hand dyed, and I like the little bit of purple that's in with that. Very interesting. Stockings and Sweets, it's called. It's 75% superwash wool, 15% cashmere, and 10% silk, and there's 410 yards here. So this is beautiful, and it's very soft. And then it came with this Carmel's Shop candy soap, and it looks like I got some goodies. I don't know what this is. This looks like a thing for a iPad or like a touch thing, but I'm really honestly not sure if that's what this is or not. It kind of looks like it should open, but it doesn't feel like it does, so I don't want to force it. So maybe that's what it is, like one of those pens. I know I have one of those pens somewhere. I don't know, but you guys probably know what I'm talking about. So maybe that's what this is. Nice, I'll take it. And then this was also in there, and this is like a little counter, and they made it into a yarn, I don't know what you call these, but a guide for yarn, so you can tell like where you're at and stuff. Although, you know what, this is really hard to turn with that on there. That could be good though, because then it won't automatically move on its own. But I don't even, goodness gracious, it's really hard to turn with these on there. They're so tight. That could have stood to be a little looser, but it's all right. It was nice. It's a nice little gift, so I'm thankful. And then I got this yarn, which is just absolutely gorgeous. And this is called, I think it's Naughty or Nice. No, this one is the nice list. She had a naughty list too, and then a nice list. But look at how pretty this is. It's all different colors of yarn, and it's just beautiful. And all of this stuff is hand dyed, and I don't know if she hand makes it. And these are in a hank. That's what you call this. And to use this, you have to roll it into a ball. So I'll be doing that, but you don't want to do that until you use it. And then I have this one, which is fabulous. Oh my gosh, this one might be my favorite of all. So this one looks really, really thin. Like this one is probably the smallest gauge. I don't know what size that is, but you can see how thin that is. And this one is a little bit thicker, but still very thin. And this one is the thickest yet, but it's still, I mean, it's not super thin. It's not super chunky either. Let's see, what does it say? Pearlescent worsted, so that means it's medium gauge. And you use a size 6 to 10 needle, and it's 220 yards. And I knew that from looking at this, I would love it. And this is in the color November Chrysanthemum, and it is superwashed merino silk, pearlescent. So when I saw it and I knew that I wanted it, I ended up getting 2 of them because I didn't know what I would use it on yet, but I just knew that if I wouldn't want to run out of it. And I will say that this is super luxurious yarn. It is beautiful and it is expensive. So this is the most I've ever spent on a skein of yarn, but I am super excited about it. I want to make something really pretty with it, but I don't know what yet. I love these colors. I've always loved blue and purple together, and then this has this beautiful green with it too. So I'm probably going to make like a shawl or something, or maybe some sort of cowl, just because I wear those a lot and I like them, and I wear a lot of black. So this will be perfect for that, because there's even some black mixed in there. It's just gorgeous. And I'm not sure what I'm going to make with these 2 yet either, but I'm going to certainly do something. I love this one. It is Christmassy, but I don't think it has to be Christmassy. I don't know. I think that I could use it for other things too. So I don't know yet what I'll make. I have to make sure that it will fit one skein, but this is 550 yards, so that will tell you how small it is. And this one is 410 yards. So let's see, how much was this one again? 220. So this is twice as much yarn in the same size skein. And then this one has even more, 550 yards. So yeah, that's what I got from Expression Fiber Arts. Check them out. Check her out on YouTube. She is fabulous. And I really am excited about trying these. But it makes me nervous at the same time because these were very, in my opinion, these were very expensive yarns. And, you know, compared to the Hobby Lobby and Michael's and, you know, Joanne kind of prices that I think are still sometimes a little pricey. These were really expensive. I think that these were $30 a piece. So I know that altogether this was about $100 mailed to me. So worth it? I hope so. Hopefully I can make something beautiful with it. But I really wanted to try some luxurious yarn, and it's great to be able to try different things. So that's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.